Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine pack. First, you'll need to gather your essential equipment, including a fermenter, an airlock, and a siphon. Next, choose high-quality grapes or a reliable wine kit to ensure the best possible outcome for your homemade wine. Remember, thorough sanitization of all your equipment is crucial to prevent any unwanted contamination and ensure a clean fermentation process. This step is vital for a successful batch. Once your equipment is ready, it's time to start the fermentation. Begin by crushing your grapes and adding the specialized wine yeast, which will kickstart the process. It's important to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Regularly monitor the specific gravity of your must daily to accurately track the conversion of sugars into alcohol. This careful observation ensures a smooth and controlled fermentation. After primary fermentation, you'll need to rack your wine. This process involves carefully siphoning the wine off the sediment, known as lees, into a clean vessel. Next, consider adding sulfites, which help prevent oxidation and inhibit unwanted bacterial growth, preserving your wine's quality. Finally, age your wine in a carboy or a suitable barrel for several months. This aging period allows the flavors to mature and develop, enhancing the overall character of your homemade vintage. The final exciting step is bottling your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles are thoroughly sanitized before carefully siphoning the aged wine into them. Once filled, securely cork or cap each bottle to create a tight seal, protecting your wine from air exposure. Store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place, allowing it to further mature and develop its full potential. For more insights into financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a great book and other exclusive deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.